So hi again, it's Tim again, and we are at the number 15. Identify the branch with the most diverse customer base in terms of province or states. So i-copy na tong code, then boom, shikaboom. Ano siya sa SQL magic. So nag-select branch ID, branch name, and i-count nato siya sa district as province or state as unique provinces. Then i-call nato siya sa branches from, and gi-energy nato siya sa customer account details on branch ID equals customer account details branch ID, and gi-energy nato siya again sa customer on customer account details equals customer ID, and gi-group by na nato siya sa branch ID and branch name, and order by unique province says descending limit into 1. So pagkabi nato is makita nato ang branch ID, branch name, and unique provinces niya. That's all. Bye bye.